Hey friends, okay, so this is very exciting because if you're watching, you probably have this Mako Black Steel 14 watt kit in your hands. Now you may have already opened it up and had a peek. That's okay, but I'm going to unbox it with you so I can help you get the best out of your Mako Black Steel wok. So what's really cool is that this is a multi-episode masterclass. So we're going to go through how to use your wok the very first time, how best to season and care for your wok, and also I've got some great recipes coming up too. Now the best thing about your Mako wok is that it's pre-seasoned, so it is ready to go, but it's going to get better the more you use it. Why is that? Well, let's open up the box and I'll tell you all about how amazing this wok really is. Okay, very exciting stuff. Every time I open this box, I get excited. Okay, so we have our Mako Black Steel pre-seasoned wok, which is amazing. But then we have all these other amazing things too, because I feel like with a wok, you really do want to have all the right bits and pieces to get the best out of the wok. So we do have our wooden spatula, and we have our strainer here for when we make deep fried things. You guys know I love fried chicken. And then very importantly, I've also included a natural brush so that cleaning your wok is really easy, and also make sure that we're protecting the beautiful patina that you're going to develop in this wok as you keep using it. And one final little bit of extra flourish I thought was a beautiful trivet that you can actually use to take your wok from the stove top right to the table. Now let's start using the wok. Make sure you watch part 2 for how to use your Mako wok for the first time.